Hi students, good morning. Today I will start your second chapter, software concepts. In your first chapter we have covered your hardware concept of computer science, a computer system, and this is your second chapter, and that's software concepts. Student, at first we should differentiate between hardware and software. Student, in very common sense we can say hardware is touchable part of computer and software is untouchable part of computer. It is very common sense point of view. We can define that untouchable and invisible part of computer is known as the software, and a touchable and a visible part of computer system is known as hardware. Student, if you assume that you are a computer, then your organs which is touchable, it may be your external organ or internal organ. This organ, all organs come under the hardware. Your brain, your eye, tongue, kidney, heart, stomach, whatever may be. Blood circulations, your bone, muscles, all come under hardware. Because this part of your body is touchable, and software is some type of energy flows inside your body. That energy of your body is known as the software. The energy which is not touchable, which is not visible, but you can feel the presence of energy in your body, that kind of things, or that energy is known as the software. Here you can say listening power, visible power, talking power. These are the examples of these are, you can say this is the software of your body. But to listen, there must be a device that is here. To view, for visible purpose, there is a device that your eye. Clear? For thinking, there is a device is known as the brain. But these are hardware. This power, that listening power, that power is the software. But listening device, that ear, is the hardware. So what makes the hardware active? This power, this energy makes your hardware active. Suppose student, तुम्हारा कान अच्छी किंतु सुनी पारुना, आखि अच्छी जदि visible power नहीं, जीभ अच्छी कथा कही हो नहीं, ब्रेन अच्छी कोमार पड़ीच, तो ये आम कहीपर सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं किंतु हार्डवेयर अच्छी, बा सॉफ्टवेयर इनएक्टिव अवस्था अच्छी किंतु हार्डवेयर अच्छी. तेना ये गोटे कथा तुम बुझीपार्थो जे सॉफ्टवेयर मेक्स हार्डवेयर एक्टिव. अर्थात हार्डवेयर जहाँ भी काम करुच्ची तार द हेल्प ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर, एंड सॉफ्टवेयर भी जहाँ काम करुच्ची तार द हेल्प ऑफ हार्डवेयर. जड़े शुणी पार क्षमता ता पाखर अच्छी, से डिवाइसटा आवश्यक ना नहीं. डिवाइसटा थिले जे शुणी पार यार किसी ग्यारंटी नहीं. टू आम कहीपर टू परफॉर्म ए पर्टिकुलर जॉब बाय द सिस्टम वी मस्ट नीड ए सॉफ्टवेयर, बट software perform the job with the help of hardware. Without hardware, all Without a software, all hardware concept is just dead, is just inactive. Listening, thinking, speaking, visible power, एगुड़ी को आम एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर कह बट सम सॉफ्टवेयर इज इनसाइड आवर बॉडी एक्सक्लूड दैट सॉफ्टवेयर ऑल ऑर्गन्स इज जस्ट इनएक्टिव दैट द सोल ऑफ योर बॉडी तुम आत्मा इट इज वन काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी एंड दैट एनर्जी मेक्स योर ऑल ऑर्गन्स टू एक्टिव क्लियर एंड दिस सोल इज नोन एज द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर आम जा डिटेल्स को जा कंप्यूटर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे तेणु जड़े ब्रेन अच्छी माने जे चिंता करिवो यार किसी माने नहीं आखि अच्छी माने जे देखिवो ताहार किसी माने नहीं क्लियर जो जे डेड हो जाइए ता पाखर कौन ब्रेनटा नहीं कि ता पाखर कौन कान नहीं कि आम तो डाकिला बेलू सी शुणुची तेणु ता पाखर सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं सोल ही नहीं आत्मा ही नहीं तो विदाउट सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर application software cannot run. The application software depends on the system software. Clear? But system software can run without the application software. जनक पाखरे सुनी पारु नाही. The person who doesn't have listening power, it means that he is not alive. जने सुनी पारु नाही या माने नुहे जे से बंची नहीं. जड़े कथा कही पारु ना या माने नुहे जे से बंची नहीं बंची कथा कहवा स्पीकिंग पावर इज वन टाइप ऑफ एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बट बंचीबा दैट इज डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर दैट द सोल आत्मा द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द आत्मा मेक्स यू लाइफ क्लियर तो सिमिलरली आम कंप्यूटर एग्जांपल जते नवा this computer system is collectively, or you can say the collection of hardware and software creates a computer. Without software, computer is just a dabba, plastic dabba. Thus there is a hardware, some part of computer which is touchable is the hardware, and some part is not touchable, but the presence of that part makes the computer active, and that part of computer is known as software. Software mu tuमको कही information has two parts, one is instruction part, one is data part. Instruction part gives the instruction to the computer how to do and what to do and how to do. This type of instruction goes to your instruction part. And data part, the work done on which, work done on what, जो जहाँ ऊपर कामटी करा जीवो, that is the data part. आम क्या नहीं कि काम करवा जहाँ को नहीं कि काम करवा दैट इज डाटा कौन काम करवा से गोटे इंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छी दैट इंस्ट्रक्शन कम्स फ्रॉम द यूजर साइड विदाउट एनी इंस्ट्रक्शंस कंप्यूटर कैंट डू एनीथिंग तो विदाउट इंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्यूटर इज जस्ट ए डम्प मशीन इट्स जस्ट ए दवा यू कैन से the instruction, that collection of that instructions which makes the computer active, which performs a particular job or task is known as the software. So you can say software is the set of instructions or set of programs. The question is what is program? The program is the set of instructions, and to write a program we have to follow some kind of rules and regulations that is known as the syntax of the program. We have to, that time जो कौन सी language हम लिखुचंती at the time of writing something, at that time we follow some rules and regulations, and that rules and regulations to write a program is known as the syntax, and the program is the collection of some kind of alphabets and codes and some special character you can use to write a program, and which program is that program which is used for programming or for computing purpose, you know that programming language आम जीवा आगु तो कॉन्सेप्ट रहा कौन सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को आम आरंभ लगे कंप्यूटर को पूरा आम दुई भाग में व्यवस्थित कर सिस्टम कंप्यूटर दुई भाग में है गोटे है द कंप्यूटर एंटायर कंप्यूटर इज डिवाइडेड इज or classified in two parts. One is hardware part, another is software part. Software. एटा को हमें ये लिख परिया H/W ये वाला S/W. This is hardware and this is software. हमें hardware लिखवा that is touchable and visible part, and software रे हमें जीवा that is untouchable and invisible. Untouchable and invisible part of the हमें हार्डवेयर रे आसीबा कीबोर्ड माउस प्रिंटर ये गुड़ी एग्जांपल नहीं परिबा हार्डवेयर पे बट सॉफ्टवेयर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम प्रोसेस ट्रांसलेटर लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर आम कोई परिबा और कंपाइलर लिखते कंपाइलर interpreter operating system compiler interpreter some kind of application MS Office ये गुड़ी सब आम सॉफ्टवेयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जीवा तो हियर विदाउट द सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर doesn't do any or hardware cannot do anything. So to perform a particular job, computer needs both hardware and software. Collectively, hardware and software collectively perform a job. कई जने ही काम करू नहांती ये कथा वाला. तेल आम जी बर्तन सॉफ्टवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर कहले कौन बुझे ता पूर्व लिखुची जे information I have classified the information in two sections. Information has two parts. One is instruction part, one is data part. Instruction and another is data. Instruction, what to do and how to do is specified by the instruction. Instruction gives instruction refers that our instruction defines that what to do and how to do. It specifies what to do and how to do. But the data works performed on which is known as the data. The instruction how to do and what to do. What to do. Data means work is done on data. जहाँ उपरे काम करा जाउछ डाटा उपरे ही काम करा जाउछ. बर्तमान आम एग्जांपल जे नउछि 2 + 3. Here 2 and 3 is the data and plus is the instruction. এটা ମୁଁ ପଢ଼େଇଥିଲି ଆଗରୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ବି ଦେଇଥିଲି ସେତେବେଳେ ମନେ ପକାଇ ଦେଉଛି ଯଦି ଆମେ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି 120 and 12 ବା 10 ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି 120 and 10 ମୁଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ତୁମକୁ କହିଥିଲି जे आम केते रिजल्ट केते एज्यूम करछन केते एक्सपेक्ट केते करूछन जनरली आम कौन करछन 130 लिख दौरान बट इट इज रॉन्ग कहीं ना मु कौन सी इंस्ट्रक्शन दे ना ये एडिशन करिवो कि सब्सट्रैक्शन करिवो कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन कि डिवीजन से कौन सी इंस्ट्रक्शन देयर इज नो इंस्ट्रक्शंस ओनली डाटा तो टेकिंग ओनली डाटा कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग द कंप्यूटर एक्सपेक्ट्स सम type of order some type of instruction from the user side when you specify that when you mention that the addition add you mention the operator this kind of operator that the addition operator then answer is right but if you mention that minus the subtraction the answer is 110 clear so only using the data work cannot be possible work cannot be done using only the data to perform some kind of job to perform some kind of task we need both data as well as instruction both have the equal importance so instruction specifies what to do and how to do and data on which work is done is the data clear and this is the collection of this kind of instruction the collection of instructions to perform a particular job by the computer system is known as the software is तो आम जो लिखुं ये इंस्ट्रक्शन instruction the collection of instructions is known as program and collection of similar kind of program is known as the module and collection of similar by integration of related modules create a software. The instruction collection of instruction is the program and collection of related program creates a module and collection of multiple modules creates a software. This is the flow of development of a software. The software development process रे आम जो जाऊँगी तो ये भाव में जीवा नेक्स्ट हम देखा तो मुझे किसी डेफिनेशन लिखिदे दे बुझीते बुझी तो सॉफ्टवेयर को आम दुई भाग विभक्त कर सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड वन पार्ट इज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर clear the software is a set of instructions or a set of programs or a collection of programs which perform a particular job by the computer system is the software and from nature's point of view its working point of view software is classified into two types one is system software another is application software system software I am example nova system software further classified into two types तो आम कहते कौन फॉर डेवलपमेंट और डेवलपिंग पर्पज में आम लिखिपर ये डेवलपिंग पर्पज सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपिंग पर्पज सॉफ्टवेयर गोटे मैनेजमेंट पर्पज सॉफ्टवेयर, मैनेजमेंट पर्पज सॉफ्टवेयर। System software further classified into two types. One is developing purpose software, another is management purpose software. Developing purpose software भितर आम पाइबा क्या को प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, translator, linker, loader, these are the developing purpose software. तो ये मुझे कहली the system software, application software. System software generally the user cannot feel the presence of system software in a computer system. Generally user feel the presence of application software. Suppose we want to write something, गोटे नोटपैड रे आम किसी गोटे लिखा चाहूँ से आम निजे इनवल्व हो राइटिंग पर्पज आम लिखुं आम जापर किसी गोटे अच्छी टूल अच्छी आमको लिखापी दौर दैट द एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर एंड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जो आम कीबोर्ड किसी टाइप करूँ कीबोर्ड भितर गोटे डिवाइस ड्राइवर अच्छे जो कंप्यूटर आम किणिक आणुं प्रत्येक डिवाइस डिवाइस ड्राइवर अच्छे एंड द डिवाइस ड्राइवर इज द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जी कि हार्डवेयर आउ यूजर भितर गोटे इंटरफेस क्रिएट करुच्च द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेज द रोल ऑफ इंटरफेस इन बिटवीन हार्डवेयर एंड ए यूजर तो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर यूजर कैन फील द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर बट यूजर यूजेस दिस द कंप्यूटर रे ता भितर इनबिल्ट रोच सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर किसी रोच बट एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर को आम डे टू डे लाइफ रे आम या संस्पर्श आसुँच एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर आम कौन से म्यूजिक शुणापी चाहूँ आम जेकोसी गोटे प्लेयर मीडिया प्लेयर आम कौन गोटे गीत बा भिडियोटा देखिपार आम जन सहित चाट कर गोटे स्पेसिफिक सॉफ्टवेयर रोज आम लिखुं एमएस ऑफिस आम किसी लेखा लिखि कर नोटपैड आम किसी लिखुं एमएस वार्ड किसी लिखुं से आम एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर तो एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर रो प्रेजेंस को आम फील कर कंप्यूटर यूजर कैन फील द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बट सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जो कंप्यूटर बूटिंग यूज करा कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करने यूज करा some software is there to boot the computer system to start up the computer and some software is there to make the keyboard mouse active to make the printer active printer keyboard mouse को active करिया पे के सॉफ्टवेयर रोज that kind of a device driver तो आम ये लिखा BIOS one type of system software basic input and output software BIOS तो इनपुट आउटपुट सॉफ्टवेयर कौन डिवाइस ड्राइवर किसी रोज सम टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसलेटर लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर इज देयर पढ़ेगा तक कंपाइलर इंटरप्रेटर असेंबलर दिस द लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर सम लिंकर एंड ए लोडर आर देयर so here computer cannot feel sorry user cannot feel the presence of system software गोटे पिलाटे शुणी पारुछि एकथा जने आम फील करि पारछन बस से फील करि पारछि जड़े पिलाटी कथा कही पारुछि आम जानी पारुछन से कथा किंतु पिलाटी ये सब कथा कही पारुनी शुणी पारुनी सेतेबेले पिलाटी बंचिछि कि नाही जेता कोमा अवस्था रोची बेले बेले आमे फील करि पारंतनी जे ता भितर सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर अछि कि नाही बा आत्माटी अछि कि नाही बा बंचिछि कि नाही सेति एक्सपर्ट को डका जाए डॉक्टर को डका जाए डॉक्टर चेकअप कर डिक्लेयर करती जे गोटे पर्सन डेड कि लाइव अछि बंची कि मरी गोटे पिलाटी जड़े लोक से डॉक्टर बा एक्सपर्ट को डका जाए बेले बेले सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर प्रेजेंस को यूजर जानी पारे नहीं जन पाखर आत्माटी अच्छी कि नहीं तार प्रेजेंस को यूजर जानी पारे नहीं बा आउटर साइड बा आउटसाइडर जानी पारती नहीं। तो सही भली भाव में कंप्यूटर भी सही कथा अच्छी क्लियर। तेणु आम डे टू डे लाइफ रे ये कंटाक्टर आसुँच आप्लिकेसन सॉफ्टवेयर कंटाक्टर या कंटाक्टर जदिओ आसुँच बट आम फील करि पारंती नहीं जानी पारंती ना क्लियर। तो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर भीतर मैं डिफरेंशिएट करूँगी एंड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जनरली डेवलप्ड बाय द मैन्युफैक्चरर कंप्यूटर मैन्युफैक्चरर। एप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर कैन बी डेवलप्ड बाय एनी यूजर और सॉफ्टवेयर developer or you can say the programmer. Any type of programmer can develop the application software and generally system software is developed by the manufacturer. So that's why system software is known as the inbuilt software of the computer system. And to develop a system software, extensive knowledge regarding the computer science is required. But a standard level of knowledge is sufficient to develop application software. Developing system software is a complex task, whereas developing application software is, as compared to system software, it is easier. It is easier, but developing a system software is a complex task. And system software can run without the application software, but reverse is not possible. Means that application software cannot run without system software. The application software is dependent on system software. Okay? तो आम लिखा ये सॉफ्टवेयर the set of instructions to perform a particular task or job by the system, by the computer is known as software. Software. Without software, or software makes hardware active. Software makes hardware active. Without software, entire hardware part of computer is dead. Without software, entire hardware of computer or hardware part of computer is dead. Computer can do a job with help of both hardware and software. Both hardware and software. Both hardware and software. This is software. Next part, software is classified into two types. One, system software, another is application software. One is system software, one is application software. Differentiate करिया system software, application software. System software, application software. Okay. The first part is one, system software is developed by the computer manufacturer. Computer manufacturer system software is developed by the computer manufacturer. Here any programmer can develop application software. Point two, developing a system software is a complex task. Two, developing application software, any application software is easier as compared to system software. As compared to developing process, of a system software. Developing a system software is a complex task, but developing any application software is easier as compared to developing a system software. Okay. Third point, to develop a system software, extensive knowledge about computer science is required. is required. To develop a system software, extensive knowledge about computer science is required. 3. Standard knowledge about computer science is required. Okay. Fourth point, system software can run without application software. System software can run without application software. Here, fourth point, application software cannot run without system software. Example ले दो, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर, लिंकर, loader. These are the system software. Application software, operating system, CRM, customer relationship management, MS Office, operating system एपटू आसे operating system OS with the system software. एठी कौन पाइए तमें MS Office, CRM, Tally. These are the examples of application software. But operating system comes under system software. This is the difference between system software and application software. Student, एबे देखिबा the classification of system software. System software को further दुई भागे डिवाइड कराई छै. System software. The system software is further classified into two types. One is developing system software for developing purpose software okay for management purpose software. Work point of view, see what's point of view, system software is classified into two types. One is for developing purpose software and one is for management purpose software. Purpose software. Clear? Developing purpose software ऊपर का मैं आसी. Developing purpose software रे हम पाई थले इठी या अंडर थिला हमर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. फर्स्ट कथा हम पाई थले गोटे ता विषय रे हम पर आलोचना करिया. इठी हम पाई थले प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. Programming language. The programming language, the language which is developed to write the program for the computers is known as the programming language. Or you can say programming language is developed for computing purpose. And programming language is the collection of some alphabets, English alphabets, some special characters, and it follow some rules and regulations that is known as the syntax. Programming language is further categorized into three types. One is machine level language, second is assembly language, and third one is the high level language. The programming language is classified into three types: machine level language, assembly language, and high level language. The programming language, the machine level language upre padhiba. The machine level language, the language which is also known as the binary language. Machine level language, or it can say that, you can say that is low level language. The programming language is classified into three types, that is programming language, the low level language, assembly language, और high level language. High level language. The programming language is classified into three types: low level language, assembly language, and high level language. This low level language is also known as machine language. This is known as machine level language or machine language. That is the binary language. The machine language is developed or written in only zeros and one, binary language. The machine language is directly understandable by the machine or by the computer system. The computer system can understand the machine level language directly. There is no translators needed. This language, the machine level language or low level language, is written only using the zeros and ones. That's why its name is binary language. By means two. केवल दीटा डिजिट 0 and 1 को नहीं कि binary language develop होता है, and that language is directly understandable by the machine. That's why execution time, the compiling and the execution time, the execution time of the program is very low. Means there is no need of translation, there is no translator which converts into the machine language. Since the program is directly written in a machine language or binary language, the machine can understand the program directly. That's why execution time is very low in case of machine level language programming. And another case, assembly language taku rakhuch pare paduch. Another kind of language is the high level language. Gota dekhla ame low level language, and one kind of is high level language. This high level language is easy to for the user. For the user, high level language is easy to read, easy to use, easy to learn, and it is easy to write a program using the high level language. The high level language is understandable by the user. User can understand the high level language easily. Computer can understand the low level language easily. For the computer, high level language is difficult. For the computer, understanding the high level language is a difficult task. But for the user, understanding the low level language is difficult task. Dita ko reverse, dita alternate ho jauchi. This is user friendly language, this is machine friendly language. You can say this is computer friendly language. This computer can directly understand this machine level language or low level language. And here user can directly understand the high level language. The high level language is the collection of some English alphabet, special characters, syntax, this kind. And a low level language is written only the zeros and ones. For writing, to make your programming easy, or you can say for user friendly programming point of view, high level language is preferable. Anybody can understand what is written in high level language. High level language bhitar ame paiba kaku C, C++, basic, Fortran. These are the high level language. Fortran, COBOL, these are the high level language. Java, this kind of language is not the high level language. And this language is very easy to learn, write, read for the user. And this language is not understandable by the machine. To make the machine to understand this high level language, there is a translator, and that translator translates high level language into machine level language or low level language. The translator is a system software. Translator, that is known as the language processor, is also, you can say this translator is the language processor. The translator or the language processor are required to transfer or to translate the high level language into low level language. It means that the translator is responsible to convert this C, C++, basic, Fortran, this kind of language into binary language, so it is understandable by the machine. The translator plays the role of a mediator. Translator here, the language processor plays the role of a mediator or role of a interface in between user and the machine. Clear? At the beginning of the computer era, the computer scientists generally use this binary language to write some programs, to write some instructions, to give the instruction to the computer system. But at the beginning of the computer's generation, when computers started at first, from that time, the scientists use this kind of binary language to provide some programs into the computer. And day to day, the scientists try to develop such kind of language which is generally which will be easy for the user, which is easy for the any human being, and this type of developing to process goes in this form. The basic level language is too difficult to understand, and assembly language is little bit easier as compared to low level language, but high level language is very easy to learn, understand, read, whatever may be. So here in mid generation of the computer system, in mid generation of the computer development system, assembly language comes into our mind. That assembly language allows us to substitute this kind of a binary language by the help of some codes that is known as the mnemonics. The mnemonics is, you can say, it is one type of some kind of code which is used as the substitution of binary language. In binary language only you use the 0 and a 1, that's all. But in case of assembly language you use some kind of words, that is add, sub, mul, clear, load, किसी आम वर्ड को यूज कले और सब्स्टिट्यूट कले 0 and 1 को. तेणु जब आम कंपेयर करवा लो लेवल लैंग्वेज और बाइनरी लैंग्वेज और असेंबली लैंग्वेज भितर, असेंबली लैंग्वेज टिके इजी, बट एज कंपेयर टू हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लर्न द असेंबली लैंग्वेज. आउरी असेंबली लैंग्वेज को आउरी यूजर फ्रेंडली करने, आउरी इजी करने, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग को बाई प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को आउरी इजी करने आम ए यूज कर हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट सेशन को आसिले मैं पढ़ेबी या डिटेल्स को जी लो लेवल लैंग्वेज, असेंबली लैंग्वेज एंड हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. थैंक यू.